Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adabas, Sriyakal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam, and come again to all of you. Welcome to today's session, guys, and this is your sprint text series for CBSE grade 10. All right, and in this class, we'll be doing triangles part 2. So, as all of you remember, guys, we have already finished our triangles part 1, in which we have completed basic proportionality theorem and the similarity of triangles, right? So, today we'll be starting first thing the properties of similar triangles like ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of the corresponding sides, and perimeter is same as the ratio of the corresponding sides, and then we'll talk about Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so these questions we'll be discussing in today's class. So two topics we have already covered. We'll be focusing on properties of similar triangles and Pythagoras theorem. ठीक है बच्चा. All right, now this is your schedule. As you can see, we are over here right now. There are 5 more upcoming sessions. Half series is over. 5 more upcoming sessions. Coordinate geometry every day 6 p.m. at the same place, same time. Okay, next topic is coordinate geometry, and then trigonometry will be doing it in 2 phases. All right, then we have areas related to circles and probability. Okay, so this is your physics schedule, guys. Chemistry schedule, biology schedule, SST schedule, as well as your English schedule. So you can easily get all these schedule even if you can take a screenshot, or you'll find out the session notes in the description box of this video after some time. From there you can take those and see the schedule, keep a copy with you. All right, so guys, before I move ahead, please don't forget to like this video, share this with your friends, and subscribe to this channel if you're new here. Okay, let's move ahead. So this was the homework question which I gave you in the previous class. Remember, I gave you this question. What was this question about? Very simple. Eh? In the given figure, the measures of x will be what? So if you focus here carefully, guys, which ratios of sides are equal? So you will see, we go PQ 4.2, here 7, here 3 root 3. Here we have 6 root 3, 14, and 8.4. So you will see the ratio of PQ with YZ 4.0.8.4 is what? 1 by 2 will be same as QR upon YX or XY. ठीक है, 7 by 14 is 1 by 2, and it is same as PR. Oh, it is same as PR 3 root 3 upon XL. So by SSS rule, these two triangles will be congruent. So I can say triangle PQR will be congruent to triangle. So देखो, for PQ, YZ is the corresponding one, and for QR it is XY. So Q is common in both, here Y is common in both, so Y will be in the middle. So triangle ZYX. ठीक है, PQ and ZY corresponding, QR and XY corresponding, PR and XZ corresponding. So since they are similar, guys, now they are asking angle X. We can see angle X will be equal to what? Angle R. Angle R we don't know. Use angle sum property. So 60 plus 70 plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. We'll get angle R as 50. If angle R is 50, angle X also will be equal to 50 degrees. Right? Simple. So angle 50 degree, angle X will be equal to 50 degrees. All right. So very well done to all those students who have given me the correct answer. All right. I'll move ahead now, guys. Let's move ahead. So remember, guys, a little progress each day adds up to big result. Okay. If I want you to explain this mathematically, you just do this on your own. 1 raised to the power 365. If you are, say you are one individual, right, and you remain the same throughout the year, 365 days, throughout the year you remain the same. So 1 raised to the power 365 is equal to 1 only, right? Now do one thing, you do a little change, as much less change as you want. Let's make this change very little. Let's say it is 1.01 raised to the power 365. What we are doing, guys, we are doing 1.01 raised to the power 365, and let me see, let's see what will be that. So 1.01, if we make it raised to the power, all right, raised to the power 365, and you will see that is around 37.7. So can you see the change? A little change, 0.01 every day you are doing the change, and after the year the value becomes 37.7, which is 37 times of what you have originally started, right? So that's the power of little change every day. That's what is called consistency and discipline, right? So that is the power of a little small little improvement every day. Just try to improve yourself and definitely you'll get the results. All right, so let's start with the question, guys. First question, they go: the areas of two similar triangles ABC and PQR are in the ratio 9 is to 16. What if BC is 4.5 centimeter length of QR? So triangle ABC, it is given to us, guys. Again, if before I move ahead, guys, let me tell you one thing. The best way to watch this session will be what? Pause the video, solve the questions on your own, and then see the solution, that whether you have got the correct answer or not. Okay? All right. So there you go. Since triangles are similar, I can say the corresponding sides. Sorry for the disturbance. I can say the corresponding sides will be what? Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. So I can say corresponding sides are AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Right? Alright. So beta BC and QR are corresponding sides. So I can say area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR will be equal to ratio of the square of the ratio of the corresponding sides is whole square. So this ratio is what? Nothing but 9 by 16 is equal to BC by QR whole square. So if we do the square root, we'll get BC by QR is equal to 3 by 4. 9 by 16, 3 by 4. Now BC is given as 4.5 upon QR is equal to 3 by 4. Cross multiply, you'll get QR as 6 centimeter. Option D. 4.5 into 4 will be 18. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Alright. Option D will be your correct answer. Pretty easy one. Easy, right? Second question. First, solve it. Pause the video over here. Start solving. Areas are given, ratio of the corresponding medians. Ab beta yahan pe I'm telling you one thing. See, if I talk about two similar triangles, guys, remember, ratio of the corresponding medians will be same as the ratio of the corresponding sides. You can see the triangles will be similar. Its proof is there in NCERT. One question is given over there. You can take from there. So ratio of the corresponding medians is same as the ratio of the corresponding sides. Ratio of the corresponding angle bisectors is also same as the ratio of the corresponding sides. Ratio of perpendiculars or ratio of altitudes is also same as the ratio of the corresponding sides. Ratio of perimeters is also same as the ratio of the corresponding sides. Only the ratio of area is equal to square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. Okay. So for example, guys, let's say ratio of sides is say 3:4. All right. So ratio of corresponding medians 3:4. Corresponding altitudes 3:4. Corresponding angle bisectors 3:4. Ratio of perimeters 3:4. Ratio of areas 9:16 square. Okay. So guys, if they are asking you to find out the ratio of corresponding medians, I can say medians, ratio of the corresponding medians will be same as the ratio of the sides, and ratio of corresponding sides, whatever it will be, okay, its square, whatever its side will be, its square will be equal to ratio of these two triangles 81:49. So if we do the square root, I can say ratio of the sides will be equal to 9 by 7, 9:7. If it is the ratio of sides, I can say ratio of corresponding medians will also be 9:7. Okay? Proof is there in the book. You can go for it. But even remember it for quickly solving this. So if you know the ratio of corresponding side will come as 9:7, ratio of the medians will also be 9:7. Okay? Don't go for 7:9. If first I have written 81 centimeter and then 49, so we have to do ratio as 81:49. As simple as that. Okay, next one. A ladder 10 meter long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. The distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. So see, there's a wall, there's your ground, and you have kept a ladder like this. All right, let's say the ladder is kept like this, and here ladder 10 meter long reaches the window. Say here it is your window. Okay, say this is your window. So ladder is reaching over here. They are saying the ladder is of the length 10 meters. Window is at a height of 8 meters. What is the distance between foot of the ladder and the base over here? Okay, so let's say this is x. We can say x square plus 8 square is equal to 10 square. It's pretty easy. X will be equal to 6. Okay, all of you know this. 10 square 100 minus 64 is 36. X square is 36. X will be 6. Simple. Direct Pythagoras theorem question. Only in the way of application they have asked. Simple. Next one. Perimeter. They go. Perimeter of two similar triangles are 25 centimeter and 15 centimeters. The side of the first triangle is 9 centimeter. Then the corresponding side of second triangle. Let's say it is x. So 9 by x. Ratio of perimeter is same as the ratio of the corresponding sides. So it will be 25 by 15, which is 5 by 3. Cross multiply, x is equal to 9, these are 27 by 5, which is equal to 5.4 centimeter. Alright, option B will be your correct answer. Easy questions, beta. Just remember, only the ratio of area is equal to square of the corresponding sides. Otherwise, rest all corresponding medians, corresponding altitudes, corresponding angle bisectors, corresponding perimeters, same as the ratio of the corresponding sides. Okay, next one. Ab dekho, don't be afraid by looking at the diagram. First, read the question. Pause this video, read the question, solve it. I'm telling you, it's an easy one. Okay, see what this says. In this given triangle PQR, angle QPR is 90 degree. All right, PQ is 24, QR is 26, and in triangle PKR, angle PKR is 90, KR is 8. Find the length of PK. So beta, first if you'll see for the outer triangle in triangle PQR, since it is a right angle triangle, I can say hypotenuse will be side opposite to 90 degrees. So QR square is PQ square plus PR square. So this is 26 square and here 24 square plus PR square. So 26 square is 676 minus 24 square is 576. You will get PR square as 100. So PR will be 10. PR will be 10 centimeter. Once we've got PR, I can say, sir, in triangle PKR, I can say very well, sir, PK square plus KR square is equal to PR square. Earlier we didn't know PR, now I know PR. So PK we don't know, PK square plus 8 square is equal to 10 square. All of you know this triplet. PK will be 6 centimeter. I have told you 2 times you have used Pythagoras theorem. Otherwise, there is nothing difficult in this question. Simple, right? So the question correct answer will be option B, 6 centimeter. Khatam. Right? Now, guys, before I move ahead, let me tell you about Vedantu's pro subscription. Guys, the first thing, as you know, the exam is very near. This is the time right now you are facing any of the difficulty. I have an amazing course, which is Vedantu's grade 10th term 1 crash course. This is a month-long course till the time your exam gets over. In this course, we'll be completing each and every topic coming from your term 1. So first, let me tell you the features of this course. So beta, first thing, unlimited live classes. You can take as many classes as you want. Whole syllabus will be completed. Also, along with the revision as well, if you go for the year-long courses, your doubts will be resolved by the class teachers, which will be present in the class. Just write your doubt to them and they'll instantly clear your doubt. All right. All the concepts will be taught in detail and you'll be getting assignments also so that you can practice those questions, practice those topics. We'll be conducting tests for you as well so that you can say evaluate yourself where you are standing right now. And there are thousands of micro courses and crash courses to choose from, and definitely it will help you a lot to revise a topic as many times as you want. So link for registration is mentioned in the description box of this video as well as in the pinned comment. The coupon code is GPE Pro, and with this, guys, you'll get 10% off, and the prices are really very low right now. Let me show you here, guys. You can see in the description box. If I'll go over here, You can see CBSE Term 1 preparation. Sorry, here avail all exciting Vedantu courses. So if we'll go for the best course, which is CBSE Term 1 crash course. So in this course, beta, first thing, let's say here grade 10th you have selected. Select grade 10th Term 1 crash course. Once we'll select grade 10th Term 1 crash course, you can see after applying the coupon code GPE Pro, the prices is for Pro Lite 2700 and for Pro Classic it is 3150 for the completion of term 1 syllabus for all the subjects. What else do you need more? You tell me, like everything you are getting, and the price also is right now very reasonable. Amazing course for all of you. It is definitely going to be a score booster for all of you. Definitely, it is going to be a score booster. ठीक है बच्चों. Now, let us say you want to go for the year-long course, which is a very good thing to do. So if you go for the year-long course, click over here and you can see Pro Lite, Pro Classic and Pro Plus we have. Now one important thing guys, if you want, you can try all these courses for the first 15 days. Try for 15 days just at rupees around 1000 all these courses. Okay, say Pro Lite you can try it at say 1170 for 15 days. But let me tell you one important thing. If you will apply, when you are trying for 15 days, make sure here GPE Pro is applied. Once GPE Pro is applied, guys, here click on try for 15 days. Once you click on try for 15 days, guys, first thing you got 10% off. First thing you got 10% off. Also, the free trial period will increase from 15 days to 30 days. So, in this point, when you take for the year-long course, the term 1 syllabus, term 1 course, you don't have the trial period over there because that is already a very small course. But if you go for the year-long course, you can go for, if you want to try, like how is the course, will you be able to adjust to it, is it good for you, will you be able to learn, you can go for try for one, say try for this 15 days. And there, if you'll apply GPE Pro, guys, you will get this course at 1170. Along with that, the trial period will increase from 15 days to 30 days. So this is the price for 1 month trial period. And this is my guarantee that definitely you are going to enjoy that trial period time and you'll definitely enroll for the year-long course. Alright. And right now you can go for term 1 course as well. That is also there. Okay, then there are IOQM batches, all those are also here. The same thing is applicable for grade 9th as well. Only grade 9 students, what you need to do, here click on grade 9 and then you'll be getting everything over here. ठीक है बच्चों, चलो भाई, let's move ahead, let's go for our next question. चलो, this is a good question. Let's understand. So, in this question, if you will think carefully, the diagram is not given. So if the diagram is not given, let's try to make the diagram. So triangle ABC is right angled at C. Okay, we have triangle ABC right angled at C. All right, right angled at C. Okay, if P is the length of the perpendicular from C to AB, so if it is C, it is AB definitely. From C, you have dropped the perpendicular on AB, that is B. All right, okay. Perpendicular AB and ABC are the lengths of the side opposite to angle A. So opposite to angle A, bacha, opposite to angle A, you have side A. Opposite to angle B, you have side B, and opposite to angle C, you have side C over here. And this is side small p. Okay. All right, P is the length of the perpendicular. So CD is equal to P. BC is equal to A, AC is equal to B, AB is equal to C. Okay. So, what is the value of 1 upon P square? What is the value of 1 upon P square? A bit देखो, as all of you know, that all these three triangles, triangle BCD, triangle ACD, and triangle ABC, all three of them are, what do we say, similar to each other. In the proof of Pythagoras theorem, we have done that. They all are similar to each other, right? So if I talk about, say, triangle BCD, say in triangle BDC will be similar to this large triangle ABC. How it will be? It will be triangle, देखो, B will be the common angle, so triangle B D is 90 degree over here. Here we have C and here we have A. ठीक है? If they will be similar, guys, I can say देखो BD by BC is equal to DC by CA is equal to BC by BA. So BD we don't know, BC, so that will not take that ratio. Here DC is small p upon CA is small b is equal to BC. BC is small a upon BA is equal to small c. ठीक है बेटा? So we got to know P by B is equal to A by C. Right? One more thing, yaar, it is a देखो here, if at the options, if you look, all is square is given. So square, definitely one thing will come to my mind, Pythagoras theorem. I can say A square plus B square hypotenuse is C square. Now you want all the options C are in the terms of A and B only. Obviously, what we need to find out, beta, we need to replace this C. So from here, I can say that, all right, I'll write over here, C, if I cross multiply, guys, C can be replaced as AB by P. Replace it over here. So we'll get A square plus B square. C, in place of C, if I write AB by P, so AB by P whole square will be A square B square by P square. What value you want, beta? 1 by P square. Shift A square B square in division. So we'll get 1 by P square is A square plus B square upon A square B square. Split the denominator. So A square upon A square B square plus B square upon A square B square. Here A square to A square got cancelled. Here B square to B square got cancelled, which is 1 by B square plus 1 by A square, or 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. Option C will be your correct answer. Okay, guys, let me know in the comment section how many of you were able to get the correct answer for this question on your own. How many of you were able to get the correct answer on your own, and how many of you where you got stuck. All right, because it is a very good question. So what we have done, by first thing we knew that P upon B is equal to A upon C. Then we have found, we know that by Pythagoras theorem, A square plus B square is equal to C square. So in place of C, we have replaced C as AB upon P. Solved it, we got 1 by P square as 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. Alright, okay? Amazing question. Very well. Amazing question this is. Okay? Now let's go for assertion and reason type questions. First one, in triangle ABC, AB is 24, BC is 10, AC is 26. Triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Guys, you can clearly see AC square will be 26 square, which is 676. And then if we do AB square plus BC square, it will be 24 square plus 10 square, which is 576 plus 100, which is again 676. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. And if a triangle follows Pythagoras theorem, the triangle will be right angle triangle. Assertion is correct. Converse of Pythagoras theorem. Reason. If in two triangles, their corresponding angles are equal, then the triangles are similar. The reason is also correct statement. But not the correct explanation. Option B will be your correct answer. Here the correct explanation would have been what? That if in a triangle, square of the largest side is equal to sum of the square of other two sides, then the triangle will be a right angle triangle. The statement for converse of Pythagoras theorem. Right? So reason is not the correct explanation, although both are correct. Okay? Next question. Assertion and reason. Pause the question, take your time, read the question, pause the video over here. Every time I'm telling you guys, best way to watch this series will be sit on a table and a chair, open your phone, open your laptop. When I show you the question, pause the video, solve the question on your own, and then see the solution. In that way, it will be like a small test along with instant solution, and give yourself marks as well, whether you're able to get all the answers correct or not. Right? 1 0 1 0, simple concept. Okay, and see how many marks you're getting. Okay, so here what do we have? Triangle ABC. ABC and DEF are two similar triangles. So such that, so it is given triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. It is given BC is 4. DEF. BC is 4, EF is 5. Area of triangle ABC is 64 centimeters square. Then area of triangle DEF is 100 centimeters square. So some calculation are there. We know the ABC may be correct or not be correct. Let's see the reason. Area of two similar triangles are in the ratio of the square of the corresponding altitudes. That is also a correct statement. Corresponding sides, be it corresponding sides or be it corresponding altitudes, ratio is same. So guys, I can say if they are similar, corresponding sides will be AB upon DE or BC upon EF, and here AC upon DF. So BC and EF are given. I can say area of triangle ABC is 64. I can say area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF will be equal to square of BC by EF. Area of triangle ABC is, let's say, 64. Area of triangle DEF will find it out, and it is going to be 4 by 5 whole square, which is 16 by 25. 16 and the 16 fours are cross multiply. Area of triangle DEF you will get as 100 centimeters square. Okay? Assertion is also correct. Now for reason, the main thing is areas of two similar triangles are in the ratio of the squares of the corresponding altitudes. Now we know that altitudes ratio is also same as the ratio of the sides. So I think we can say it is a correct explanation. Acha, not correct explanation they are saying, because in place of altitudes, okay, in place of altitudes they should write sides. Okay, because we have used ratio of sides. That is actually correct, because although we know that by ratio of sides is equal to ratio of the altitudes, but in the question I have used ratio of sides, not the ratio of altitudes. I will say not the correct explanation. B will be the correct answer. Okay? Both the statements are correct, but not the correct explanation. Are you getting my point? What I am saying, that in place of altitude, suppose here if the sides would have been written, option A would be correct. Or here in place of BC and EF, if they would have given the ratio of altitudes, then also I can say both correct explanation, but here it will not be the correct explanation, because we are taking ratio of sides and reason is about ratio of altitudes. Okay? Although at the end it is same, but not the correct explanation over here. Okay? Haji. Now let's go for the next question. An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at speed of 1200 km per hour, and at the same time another aeroplane leaves the same station and flies due west at the speed of 1500 km per hour. After 1.5 hours, both the aeroplane reaches at a point P and Q respectively. Based on the above information, find the following question. So, देखो बेटा, say by O is over here, P is in the north, Q is on the west. All right. So here it is traveling with 1200 km per hour. So 1200 km into multiplied with time. 1 by 2 is 3 by 2, 600, which is nothing but 1800 kilometers. So this distance is 1800 kilometers. This distance QO will be equal to 1500 into 3 by 2. So this will be equal to 750 and 0, 3 by 15 power 1, 2250. Alright, okay. Let's see what the question. I think PQ will be asked, something like that. Okay, distance traveled by the aeroplane towards north after 1.5 hours. So after 1.5 hours, how much distance? 1800 kilometer. Already found. Next one. In the given figure, angle POQ. अरे यार, angle POQ तो easy हो गया 90 degrees. ठीक है, both the questions were easy only. Now the good question over here would be to find the length of PQ. है ना? So you have to do the square of both and solve it further. All right, just like that. What will be the distance between P and Q? So we have to find out the length PQ. That would have been a good question, but I'm giving you the idea over here. ठीक है बच्चों? All right. So with this, we have completed our topic triangles. Clear hai? Now this is your homework question. Think about it. Let me know what should be your answer in the comment section below. All right. And it is a good question, guys. So please give it some time and think about it and then give me your answer. All right. Now the next session tomorrow, same place, same time, coordinate geometry, will be discussing. Amazing topic. We'll be finishing this topic. All right. ठीक है बच्चों. So remember, link for registration to Vedantu's Pro subscription is given in the description box. I have shown it everything to you, how to register. If you have not seen, just go a little back and you'll be able to see how to register. GP Pro is your code. It will get you 10% off. All right, a very good course. Term 1 crash course prices are really very less. 2700 for Pro Lite and 3150 for Pro Classic. तो बहुत अच्छा कोर्स है बेटा. Don't forget to say don't miss this course because this is definitely going to be a score booster course. Also, don't forget to like this video before you go, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel if you are new here. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Sayonara. Khuda Hafiz to all of you guys. Bye bye.